Hi, I'm Tom Kelly with Bradford White Water Heaters, and I'm here to talk to you about the Infiniti K-Series. Now let's talk about changing the temperature on the water heater. Out of the box, it'll be set for 120. You use the plus and the minus buttons on the right-hand side to change the temperature up or down. Change the temperature, you're going to be changing it in 2-degree increments. Out of the box, at 120, that's the default temperature. So if power goes off and then comes back on, it's going to return to that temperature. If you go ahead and change the temperature, either hotter or cooler, you need to know how to program a new default temperature. To do that, what I would do is change it to the select temperature that I want. Let's say it's 104 degrees. I'm then going to go to the left-hand side and push and hold the P button, the program button. Watch the display, and after a few seconds, you'll see it blinking. That means it's learning the new default temperature. Once it stopped blinking, now you've programmed that new default temperature to whatever temperature you selected. Now the temperature can be adjusted from 100 to 140, but if you try to go above to that 130 or 140 range, you're going to find that you can't go above 120. And that's because the control is locked from the factory. To unlock it, you'll need to take an extra step. First, I'm going to push and hold the P, the plus, and the minus button all together at the same time. Push and hold it for 3 seconds. On the display, you're going to see some numbers and letters appear. Use the plus or minus button to scroll until you see the letter and number combination of SL. Once we're at the SL, push and let go of the P button, and you're going to see a temperature there. In this case, it reads 120. That's the current high limit of the unit. Now at this point, you may either want to adjust the temperature higher or lower in terms of the limit that you select for your home. Whatever you want to do, let's say in this case, I want to raise the limit up to the maximum of 140. I would do that. Or I could go one step further and not even set a limit. I can go to OF, or its abbreviation for off. I can just turn the lock mechanism off. Your choice. But whatever you choose, at this point, I now want to program that feature and that value. Push and hold the P button until you see that value begin to blink. Now you've programmed that feature.